Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the properties of addition of vectors and multiplication by scalars in two space or three space. If x bar, y bar and z bar are vectors in two space or three space and alpha beta are scalars, then first property is x bar plus y bar is equals to y bar plus x bar. This is a commutative property. Second property is in bracket x bar plus y bar bracket complete plus z bar is equals to x bar plus in bracket y bar plus z bar. Third property is x bar plus 0 bar is equals to 0 bar plus x bar, which is nothing but x bar. Fourth property is x bar plus minus x bar is equals to 0 bar. Fifth property is alpha into x bar, which is nothing but alpha into beta into x bar. Sixth property is alpha in bracket x bar plus y bar bracket complete, which is equals to alpha x bar plus alpha y bar. Seventh property is alpha plus beta into x bar is equals to alpha x bar plus beta x bar. And last is 1 into x bar is equals to x bar. Okay, these are the properties of addition of vectors and multiplication by scalars in two space or three space. Now we will see examples on these properties. Let us take first example. If x bar is equals to vector minus 2, 1, 3, y bar is equals to vector 5, minus 8, 0, and z bar is equals to vector minus 1, 6, minus 4. Then find the component of first one is x bar minus z bar. Second one is 6y bar plus 2x bar. Okay. Third one is minus y bar plus z bar. Fourth one is 4 into z bar minus 3 y bar. Okay. And last is fifth number is 2 into x bar minus 3 into z bar minus 8 into y bar plus x bar. Okay. Now we will see solution of this problem. First we compute component of x bar minus z bar. Okay. X bar minus z bar is equal to x bar is vector minus 2, 1, 3 minus z bar is vector minus 1, 6, minus 4, which is equals to. In previous video we have seen that if x bar is equals to x1 vector x1, x2, x3 and y bar is equals to suppose vectors y1, y2, y3, then x bar minus y bar is nothing but x1 minus y1, x2 minus y2, x3 minus y3. Apply this is here, what we get, which is equals to minus 2 plus 1, comma 1 minus 6, 3 minus minus become plus 3 plus 4, which is nothing but minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. 1 minus 6 is minus 5 and 3 plus 4 is nothing but 7. Therefore, x bar minus z bar is equals to vector -1, -5, 7, or components of x bar minus z bar are -1, -5 and 7. Okay. Now let us calculate component of second number, means 6y bar plus 2x bar, which is equals to 6 into y bar. Y bar is nothing but vector 5 minus 8 0 plus 2 into x bar, means vector 2 into -2, 1, 3, which is nothing but here 6 into y bar means you have to multiply each component of y bar by 6. Therefore 6 into 5 is 30, minus 6 into 8 is minus 48, comma 6 into 0 is 0, plus 2 into x bar means you have to multiply each component of x bar by 2, means 2 into -2 is -4, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6, okay, which is nothing but, see here, 30 minus 4 is 26, okay, minus 48 plus 2 is minus 46, and 0 plus 6 is 6. Therefore component of 6y bar plus 2x bar are 2x minus 46 and 6. Now we have to calculate component of minus y bar plus z bar, which is equals to minus y bar, means minus into y bar is vector 5 minus 8 0 plus z bar is vector -1 6, -4, which is nothing but, first you have to multiply each component of y bar by -1. What we get? -5 plus 8, 0, okay, plus -1, 6, -4, okay, which is nothing but, see here, -5 -1, which is nothing but -6. 8 plus 6 is 14, and 0 minus 4 is -4. Therefore component of minus y bar plus z bar is equals to -6, 14, -4. Okay. In fourth part we have to calculate component of 4 into z bar minus 3 into y bar. Okay. 4 into z bar is nothing but, what is z bar? Z bar is -1, 6, -4, minus 3 into y bar. Y bar is vector 5, -8, 0, okay, which is equals to 4 into -1, 6, 4, minus multiply each component of y bar by 3. What we get? 3 into 5 is 50. 3 into -8 is -24, 0, which is nothing but 4 into -1 -15 is -16. Okay. 6 plus 24, which is 30, and 4 minus 0 is 4, okay, which is equals to -16 into 4 is -48. Sorry, here is 64. Sorry, -64. Then 30 into 4 is 120, and 4 into 4 is 60. Sorry, here is -4. This is again -4. Therefore, -4 into 4 is -60. Okay. Now we have to find the component of 2x bar minus 3z bar minus in bracket 8y bar plus x bar. Okay. Solution of fifth number. 2x bar minus 3 into z bar minus 8 into y bar plus x bar, which is equals to 2 into x bar. X bar is nothing but minus 2 comma 1 comma 3 minus 3 into z bar. Z bar is minus 1 comma 6 comma minus 4 minus 8 into y bar. Y bar is 5 minus 8 0 plus x bar is minus 2 comma 1 comma 3. Okay, which is equals to 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 2 6 minus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 6 into 3 is 18 minus 4 into 3 is minus 12 minus 8 into 5 is 40 minus 8 into 8 is 64 0 plus minus 2 comma 1 comma 3, which is equals to, see here, minus 4 plus 3 is 1, 2 minus 18 is minus 60, 6 plus 12 is 18. Okay, minus 40 minus 2 is 38, comma 64 plus 1 is 65. Okay, 64 plus 1 is 65 and 0 plus 3 is 3. Okay, which is equals to 1 minus 38 is minus 39. Next, minus 16 minus 65. Sorry, here is 8 into minus 8 is minus 64. Therefore, minus 64 plus 1 is, here is minus 63, comma 3. Now, see here, this minus minus become plus. Therefore, 63 minus 16 is 47 and 18 minus 3 is 15. Okay, here solution of first problem is complete. Now we will see second example. Example number 2 is, if x bar comma y bar and z bar are as in example 1, that is x bar is equals to vector minus 2 comma 1 comma 3, y bar is equals to vector 5 comma minus 8 comma 0 and z bar is equals to vector minus 1 comma 6 comma minus 4. Okay, then find the components of u bar that satisfies 2y bar minus x bar plus u bar is equals to 5x bar plus 2z bar. See solution. In this problem we have given x bar, y bar and z bar. and we have to calculate components of u bar that satisfy this equation. Okay, first we calculate 2y bar minus x bar. Okay, 2 into y bar is 5 comma minus 8 comma 0 minus x bar is nothing but minus 2 comma 1 comma 3, which is equals to 2 into 5 is 10 minus 16 comma 0 minus 2 1 comma 3, which is equals to 10 plus 2 is 12 comma minus 16 minus 1 is minus 17 and 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Okay. And now calculate 5x bar plus 2z bar, which is equals to 5 into x bar. X bar is minus 2 comma 1 comma 3 plus 2 into z bar. Z bar is minus 1 comma 6 comma minus 4, which is equals to 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 3 is 15. Plus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 2 into 6 is 12. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8, which is equals to minus 10 plus minus 2 is minus 12, comma 5 plus 12 is 17 and 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay. If what we have to calculate components of u bar. If u bar is equals to suppose vector u1 comma u2 comma u3, then 2y bar minus x bar plus u bar becomes, which is equals to 2y bar minus x bar is vector 12 comma minus 17 comma minus 3 plus u bar is nothing but vector u1 comma u2 comma u3, which is equals to 12 plus u1 comma minus 17 plus u2 comma minus 3 plus u3. Hence 2y bar minus x bar plus u bar is equals to 5x bar plus 2z bar if what is the value of this is 12 plus u1 comma minus 17 plus u2 comma minus 3 plus u3, which is equals to value of this side is minus 12 comma 17 comma 7. See here, observe that these two vectors are equal, and in previous video we have seen that if x bar is equals to x1 comma x2 comma x3 and y bar is equals to suppose y1 comma y2 comma y3, then two vectors are equal if and only x1 is equals to y1, x2 is equals to y2 and x3 is equals to y3. Okay, these two vectors are equal means 12 plus u1 is equals to 12 plus u1 is equals to minus 12 comma minus 17 plus u2 is equals to 17 and minus 3 plus u3 is equals to 7. Okay, 12 plus u1 is equals to minus 12, that implies u1 is equals to minus 12 minus 12 is minus 24, u2 is equals to is 34 and u3 is equals to 10. Hence components of u bar or u bar is nothing but minus 24 comma 34 comma 10. Okay, hence solution of second example is complete. Now let us take next topic, vectors in Rn. Okay. First of all, we see definition of vector in Rn. The set of all n tuples. The set of all n tuples of real number denoted by Rn and is called n space. Denoted by Rn and is called n space. A particular n tuple. A particular n tuple in Rn, say x is equals to x1, x2 and so on up to xn, is called a point or vector. Is called a point or vector. The number of xi are called coordinates or components of x bar. Sorry, here is x bar. Okay. The set of all n tuples of real number. The set of all n tuples of real number denoted by Rn is called n space. A particular n tuple in Rn, say x bar is equals to x1, x2 and so on up to xn, is called a point or vector. Okay. The number of these xi are called coordinates or components of x bar. Vectors in Rn is expressed in the form of n tuples. Vector in R2 is expressed as in terms of order pair, such as order pair x1, x2, which is equals to x5. Vector in R3, sorry, here is vectors in R3, x bar is expressed as in terms of triplets x1, x2, x3. Okay. Let us take remark. We define equality and sum of vectors in Rn and multiplication scalars analogous to that in 2 space or 3 space. Okay. Let x bar is equals to x1, x2, and so on up to xn, and y bar is equals to y1, y2 and so on up to yn. Okay. Be any two vectors. Be any two vectors. Be any two vectors in Rn. Okay. And alpha be any scalar. And alpha be any scalar. Then x bar is equals to y bar if and only if and only if x1 is equals to y1, x2 is equals to y2 and so on, xn is equals to y, same as in 2 space or 3 space. And what is x bar plus y bar? It is nothing but x1 plus y1, comma, x2 plus y2, comma, and so on up to xn plus yn Further, alpha into, or here you can say that, and alpha into x bar is nothing but you have to multiply each component of x bar by alpha. Alpha into x1, alpha into x2, and so on up to alpha into xn. Okay. Now let us write down some notes. Number 1 is the operations of addition, and scalar multiplication in above definition are called the standard operations, are called the standard operations in Rn. Second note is the zero vector in Rn is denoted by 0 bar and is defined to be the vector 0 bar is equals to 0, 0 and so on up to 0 n times. Third note is if x bar is equals to x1, x2, and so on up to xn is any vector in Rn, then the negative or additive inverse of x bar is denoted by minus x bar and is defined by minus x bar is equals to minus x1, minus x2, and so on minus xn. Okay. Fourth note is the difference of two vectors x bar and y bar in Rn is defined as x bar minus y bar, which is nothing but x bar plus in bracket minus y bar, bracket complete, or in terms of components x bar minus y bar is equals to x1 minus y1, x2 minus y2, and so on up to xn minus yn. Let us take one theorem. If x bar theorem, if x bar is equals to x1, x2 and so on up to xn, and y bar is equals to vector y1 comma y2 and so on up to yn. Okay, and z bar is equals to vector z1 comma z2 and so on up to zn are vectors in Rn, and alpha and beta are scalars. Alpha and beta are scalars. Then A1 is x bar plus y bar is equals to y bar plus x bar. A2 is in bracket x bar plus y bar bracket complete plus z bar is equals to x bar plus in bracket y bar plus z bar bracket complete. A3 x bar plus 0 bar is equals to 0 bar plus x bar, which is equals to x bar. A4 x bar plus minus x bar is equals to 0 bar, that is x bar minus x bar is equals to 0 bar. M1 alpha into beta into x bar is equals to alpha into beta x bar. M2 is alpha into x bar plus y bar is equals to alpha into x bar plus alpha into y bar. M3 is alpha plus beta into x bar is equals to alpha into x bar plus beta into x bar. M4, which is equals, which is 1 into x bar is equals to x bar. These are the properties of addition of vectors and multiplication by scalars in n space. First property is x bar plus y bar is equals to y bar plus x bar. This property is called commutative property. Second property is in bracket x bar plus y bar plus z bar is equals to x bar plus in bracket y bar plus z bar. This property is called associative property. Third property is x bar plus 0 bar is equals to 0 bar plus x bar, which is equals to x bar. Fourth property is x bar plus minus x bar is equals to 0 bar. Next property is alpha into beta into x bar, which is nothing but alpha in bracket beta into x bar bracket complete. Next property is alpha into x bar plus y bar, which is equals to alpha into x bar plus alpha into y bar. Next is in bracket alpha plus beta bracket complete into x bar is equals to alpha into x bar plus beta into x bar, and last is 1 into x bar is equals to x bar. Okay, we will stop here. In next video we will see linear combinations of vectors. Thank you.